Alright, so we're going to get this install rolling. This is only the slip-on exhaust. You need a 13mm wrench, 15mm wrench, a T40 and a T45. So, step one is removing the stock exhaust system, which is this bolt right down here. Yeah, you can see that right down here, behind the passenger foot peg. And these two bolts up here. So you're not actually removing it at the carrier bolt, you're removing the entire carrier itself. And that's it. And I said Loctite, I mean thread locked. There we go. You guys know the drill with Torx, right? Just keep that seat completely flat until you kind of broken that thread locked seal. So next is right there. Got a 13mm. So loosen that up. It's not that hot. So we'll continue to loosen these top bits here. Now what I will say is once this one is done, you're probably going to want to get your hand under here to catch the other side. Pretty high strength thread locker, but given that you never really want these bolts to back out, kind of makes sense. Now this is out, you should be able to lift it right up. This actually came with a few parts. So we've got a I guess an extension here. It's got some anti-seize inside, see? We have a new exhaust hanger right here. We have a new clamp, and then the new cap right here. And then finally we have the exhaust itself, which you've already seen. So we won't put that on there just yet. Okay, so we've added this clamp here. You'll see how the spring in the middle keeps that from moving around too much. This can be tied to 10 foot-pounds with a T40. Up here, get another, this is a T45, sorry. We got a T40 right here. You'll see how this goes onto the Acra provided stopper, on the Acra provided hanger, the Acra provided rear bolt. The screws in there like that. 16 foot-pounds on the top with a T40, 10 foot-pounds on the bottom with a T45. Same for that one right down there on the link pipe. Okay, so now we're just going to tighten these down. I applied some thread locker to them. That's better. That's better. It's just more than 10 foot-pounds. That's the problem. All right, well, we are losing light, so for now, that's the install. Just give you guys a nice little walk around here. Okay, so look at that. So you still have the OEM resonator in place. It looks so good with the yellow. You know, all the product shots of this can are on the white and blue and red bike. Yellow is the one that needs this for the product shots. They should have made the pipe black as well, but I'm okay with it. It is narrower than the stock one, which is great. Nice hanger here. Here's your link pipe here. You've got the two T45s, and you're preserving the OEM heat shield and the resonator, which that's going to go away eventually. But yeah, it's beautiful, huh? So it's over here. I just love how that looks going down the bike like that. I had a problem with it moving around. I put this probably to 50 or 60 pound-feet, and it's finally stable, but this might pop at some point, so I'll let you guys know if that happens. When you do install this, it's going to smoke a little bit, but that'll go away eventually. God, that is so beautiful. As compared to how my 1200 looks. It's the same finish. I was wrong. But yeah, but this can is titanium. You can see on here it's titanium into carbon fiber. So it's dirty, but it's on a GS. What do you expect? But on the implementation, they preserve. Well, they preserve the hanger bolt, but the hanger is there because it's part of the exhaust. So, all right, cool. Well, I'll give you guys one cold start, and then I'll leave you. Thanks for watching. And Heather, she's cleaning the house, so we just can't work all day and then install mods on the bike together. So, thank you, Heather, for letting me do this without you.